Now, in this video, we're going to be talking about the 4 ways to put people into different buckets in your market, how to use the psychology of micro commitments to put people into different buckets and get more leads, the ideal number of buckets that you want to have in your market. And then after you've identified what bucket someone falls into, we're going to cover the number 1 most important thing that you want to customize on your website based on that person's bucket. And if you're the type of person who loves to see examples, in this video, we're gonna go through real live examples of businesses using the Ask method, plus an Ask method case study that generates over $3 million per year. Now, before we get started, the first thing that you wanna do is download the PDF action guide below this video so that you can take notes and follow along. And if you missed the first video in this workshop, now's the time to go back and watch that first video first, because in that video we covered what the Ask method is and how to use it based on where you are right now in your business. We covered how world-class companies like Apple, Tesla, and Lego are using the same strategy as we speak. We covered the major shift that's happening right now online that makes it the best time in history to be using the Ask method. We covered 3 simple words that you can type into Google right now today to figure out what buckets exist in your market or any market that you might be curious about. We even took a look at a few of the thousands of entrepreneurs who are using the Ask method in market after market right now as we speak, building businesses that provide predictable, consistent income each month, financial security, the freedom to take time off, and the ability to make a massive, lasting impact. You can find the link to this first video at the top of this page. If you didn't get a chance to watch it yet, just pause this video now and catch up with the first one. I'll be right here waiting for you when you come back.